Salt is new. That's a new restaurant over there where I live. My buddy Angel. This guy's new. Barbecue guy, I guess. Fish guy's here. Cupcake, the best of it, is looking good today. Good gracious. I might have to take a nitro. Oh, there's little goats. We'll get a closer look at them goats in a little while. Goat milk soap. Goat cheese. Goat liver. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Never mind. There's the best of it, the macaroons. I'm just talking to my video.
Oh, you and your cute little camera.
This is something new. What is this, like a cinnamon bun?
It's a cinnamon bun, yeah. We sold them last year, but not all the time. Depends on how much extra time she has in the kitchen. And we have chocolate chip pecan, coconut cookies this time.
Oh, man.
That's one of my favorites. So I was like, y'all got to start making those because I love them.
What's going on, Miss Angel? How you doing?
Good.
How you doing? How's 2014 going on? School will be out pretty soon. Well, the pizza man's not coming till June, I heard. So no pizzas today. How are we doing this morning?
Good morning. I think we have some knives we want to be bringing you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be here as far as I know, like you, every Saturday.
Fantastic. Well, we'll remember next time.
I worked Whole Foods Thursday.
It's a white sport fish.
Ladybug. Come on under there, baby.
Steakier texture to it, like sword. It's got a nice sweet flavor.
Things are slow so far today. No knife customers. Not many people in the market. The barbecue guy, he's just about ready to go. That might be the best of it so far.
I mean, it's going to grow quick, but it's... Okay.
Is that okay?
You want to do it?
Hey, Tristan.
I just got a text from Denny. He went to the 6 o'clock low tide. He did good again today. I mean, good. He found a Mercury dime. I think he said a 46. He found a Standing Liberty $50. Some kind of religious-looking medallion-looking thing. Looks like a silver coin to me, but I guess he'll get it cleaned up. We'll be able to tell more about it. So I'm going to try to get ready and get the grass cut and get this cut and get back this afternoon for the low tide. My lady of the house is driving south. A lot of Bowsers out today. I got my first knife. It's an old buoy. Not buoy, but what do you call it? You know what I'm talking about. I'm just about finished with it. Well, it's 10:30. So far, just that one pocket knife. A lot of Bowsers out today. I told you that already. And people are starting to pick up now. Look at that Bowser. The heat's over there on their bikes. The heat. How you doing today? Okay. What I started to say was those little goats have gotten a lot of attention today. The goats have. How you doing today?
I'm good. You gonna be here every week?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll bring my knives next week.
Okay. They got a flock over there now. Little kids right inside there with them. A lot of goats. Attention. The barbecue guy's doing pretty good today. The new barbecue guy. Vegetable guy, he's like me, he's kind of slow. They're doing pretty good, the sausage people. Well, the barbecue guy's like the pizza guy now. They're standing in line waiting for the barbecue. I had a guy just come by and said, oh, I'm glad you're here. I'm going home to get my knives. I got a couple I need for you to do. So I guess I'm going to have some more action, I hope. I don't have any idea what time it is. It's got to be after 11. My phone says it's 11:21. So we should be okay, unless he brings me a whole flock of them. That'll be okay, don't get me wrong. There he is, right here. See what he's got here. He got one. Nice heckle. Another nice heckle. Okay. Well, it's the end of the day. I just finished up the last knife. It's 1 minute to 12 now. Sausage man, barbecue man, still got them. Stand by for a spin. We're going spinning here soon. If we get the honeydew stuff done at the house.